Hi, welcome to ESL for Math. Today we are going to talk about how to divide fractions. And the first thing that you need to know in order to be able to divide fractions is how to form a reciprocal. Reciprocal is not a very common word in English. A more common word is flip, like you flip a pancake. Okay, so finding the reciprocal or flipping the fraction. If I start with a fraction 3/2, I'm going to put the top number on the bottom of the new fraction. I'm going to put the bottom number on the top of the new fraction, and I get 2/3. So we say 2/3 is the reciprocal of 3/2, or you flip 3/2, you get the fraction 2/3. Okay? This is going to be very useful because there's two ways that people normally tell you to divide fractions. And you can do it either way. They're both exactly the same. It's just a matter of how you like to think of it. One is multiply by the reciprocal. And the second method that people will tell you is flip and multiply. So you will come out to get the same answer, everything exactly the same no matter which one of these you do. So let's do this quickly. 7/8 divided by 1/3. Okay, in either case the reciprocal or the flip is the second fraction. So we're going to take the reciprocal of this fraction, or we're going to flip this fraction, and we get 3/1 instead of 1/3. And then we're going to multiply instead of divide. So 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 1 is 8, and our answer is 21/8. So this is multiplying by the reciprocal or flipping and multiplying, but make sure it's the second fraction that you change. Okay, let's do a slightly longer problem. So we have a problem 5/2 divided by 3/8. And first let's think about for a second, what does this problem actually mean? For example, we often talk about pizzas when we are doing fractions. So let's do the pizza idea. If we have 5/2 of a pizza, this would be 2/2. Here's 4/2. And 5/2. That's what 5/2 of a pizza look like. And let's say that we want to divide that into servings that are 3/8 of a pizza, because when a kid comes to eat pizza, they eat approximately 3/8 before they feel full. So we want our serving sizes to be 3/8 of a pizza. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to divide these 5/2 of a pizza into servings that are each 3/8 of a pizza. And when we do this problem, what we'll find out is how many servings of pizza we have in this 5/2. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our flip and multiply. We're going to flip the second fraction, 8/3 instead of 3/8. Turn the division into multiplication. We'll do the multiplication. 5 times 8 is 40. 2 times 3 is 6. And our answer is we have 46 servings. Okay, let's simplify this a little bit. So whenever you do anything with fractions, you should always, 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 at the end, think, simplify. Do I need to simplify? If we look at this, we see, yes, in fact, we can simplify. Both 40 and 6 are even numbers. They are both divisible by 2. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this answer is 20/3. Okay, this is a simplified answer. But we can go one step farther. And instead of stating this as an improper fraction, we can state it as a mixed number, a whole number with parts. So 20/3 is the same as 6 and 2/3. And this might be a more useful form of our answer. Okay, so we have these 5/2 of a pizza. We want to divide them into serving sizes of 3/8, and therefore we can make 6 servings plus 2/3 of a serving, or almost 7 servings of pizza. We can serve almost 7 children with this pizza. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, you can go to www.sensibleenglish.com and you will find a lot more videos on ESL and math. Hope to see you there.